Okay, everybody. We are getting ready for a Bible study tonight, so I'm running a bit behind. I apologize. Also, if you hear one of the kids come in the background, I apologize ahead of time for that too. We're looking at the pound on a 60-minute bar here, and you can see that the market is trading into a vicious triangle right here. I mean, you can see that there's just a lot of momentum pushing on the upward side of this thing. You can see that after the decline, the market pushed into a high volume area right here. You can see the reversal popped up. This was a very big move coming into the London close here, and then the resulting retracement. This retracement happened over most of New York session. So from here, I'm looking to get my pen right here. I'm looking for a long trade here above 2.0510 with a stop of 32 pips. That's going to be enough to put the stop down in this area here, which you can see because of the consolidation, there are a couple of spikes, one right here, and of course this spike here where the market definitely penetrated that level. So I think if the market gets back down there, you're going to see the market take another run, which means getting out at that point is going to be the logical, the logical jumping off place. The short side that I'm looking for here is at 2.0453, again with a little bit bigger stop on this side because I want to clear these highs over here. I think the market could easily spike down and come back up here, so I'm going to be taking about a 36 pip stop on the short side. But again, remember, these are not two positions that I'm putting on at the same time. These are positions where if the market comes down, I want to be able to sell thinking that the market's going to continue lower. Remember from the last couple of videos, we've been talking about how the market has several vacuums, and look at this one. I think if the market breaks into this area, we're going to get a very fast move down back into the high 300s, which means we've got an opportunity to profit, and I want to capture some of that momentum and some of that volatility. On the flip side of that, there's also a lot of momentum to the upside. So if the bulls can win out here, and the bulls can manage to push things up, and the market starts to carry forward, I want to see it break back above this 500 level. Okay, it's an even number. You've got a psychological level. Plus, you can see from here, here, and then these areas in here that the market is building some resistance here. So I think if we can clear the 500 level, that's why I'm giving it a 10-point cushion. I think you'll see a follow through to the upside. This is what I would call a miniature vacuum because we have this one spike here where the market carried higher. There obviously wasn't a lot of opposition to that. So I think we can probably get the market coming back into the 540 area, and the bullishness will then carry it a little bit higher. This is the close from last week. That's why we're seeing the resistance here. Remember, here's the high, here's the close from last week. So we've got to keep that in mind as well as far as the target. But I do think that on the fourth try, the market will break through. That's just a maxim or an adage that I picked up really from studying some of the old-time masters. Triple tops tend to break, especially if you can get some momentum behind it.